Lara DeRose, and I'm the instructional coach at Worcester Technical High School. I taught history for the past 15 years, and I've been using technology in my classroom since I began teaching. I love G Suite, and I'm currently charged with the task of transitioning and training our almost 200 staff members to G Suite. My goal is to not only familiarize teachers with these tools, but to demonstrate to them that these tools are designed to be accessible and to encourage innovation and creativity. Many teachers in our technical high school love to use PowerPoint presentation to demonstrate tasks. So I've chosen Google Slides for my training video. As a history teacher, my students use Google Slides for research presentations, infomercials, interactive timelines, and their favorite choose-your-own-adventure games. Many of these projects are cooperative, and often students are given time to explore each other's projects. So let me show you some of the features of Google Slides. If there is a template that fits your student's project, you can go to the template gallery and check things out, and they might choose one of those templates, but if not, students can always choose a blank presentation. In a blank presentation, students will have options. They will be able to choose a theme for their presentation, which will appear over on the side. They can choose background choices, different layouts for their slides, and how they transition their slides. They can apply a transition to all slides or do different ones with each one. They can also add animation to objects within their slides, so titles can fly in or fade out. If you look above, once you click on the actual text, you can see students will be allowed to format their text, just like in Google Documents. They will also be allowed to link their text to different slides, but also different, it could be something out on the internet. So it could be an interactive timeline, and students will link to different sources to learn more. They can also title their presentation right up here. I always recommend they title it first thing so that we can find their slideshow later. They can present their presentation, and they can share their presentation with different people in their class if they're working cooperatively, or if they want to share it with you to be graded. You can also use the Explore tool with Google Slides. Here's a quick example of a Choose Your Own Adventure game. If you look, you can see my students have done some history research, developed characters. They have choices with the Choose Your Own Adventure. So when you present, you can click on it, and it will take you to the correct option. Oh, and I've lost, and the game is over. That's Google Slides. My students love it, and be as creative as you can with it, and they'll have more fun. So good luck.